Okay, today we're going to do, we're going to review a little bit of stuff and then we're going to learn something new. So I'm going to put video number 22, multiplication, methods. Okay, so first things first is let's do let's do 79 times 6. Okay, so we need to break this up based off of place value. Place value is key in multiplying whole numbers. So I would break this up into 70 and 9. Okay, so I'd say what's the value of the 7? It's a 70. What's the value of the 9? It's a 9. Okay, there are two ways which you can multiply them. You can do the standard method, or what you can do is the area method. So first I'm going to do the area. And I'm going to break this into 70 and 9, and then here will be 6. And if you want to put a little X right there, then you know in this box you are going to be multiplying 70 times 6. And in this box you're going to be doing 9 times 6. Okay? It does not matter if you put the 6 on the top or the 70 on the top. I like for my smaller number to be on the bottom. So you see how this is a 2-digit number and this is 1 digit. So that's just my preference. I think it's easier when I do it that way. Okay, so I'm going to pass it out. 6 times 0. So right there is 0. And then my second step here is 6 times 7. Okay, I'm going to do 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Okay, perfect. I'm going to put a 4 and a 2 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then here is 6, or 9 times 6, or 6 times 9. So you can count by 6s or you can count by 9s. I know that that equals 54. Sometimes what I think is, what's 6 times 10? That's 60 minus 6 equals 54. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these two up. Make sure your place values lined up. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 2 plus 5 equals 7. And then 4 plus nothing equals 4. Okay? So my answer would be 474. I'm going to check it with standard method. Okay? I'm going to multiply up and down. First step, ones to ones. 6 times 9 equals 54. Carry my 5, and I'm going to put a little plus so I know to add, not multiply. Now, I'm going to say 6 times 7. Kind of doing the sprinkler method. I know that's 42 plus 5. 42 plus 5, okay. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. And I get the same answer. Okay? Place value, place value, place value is key. I do not know how more I could say it. Okay, let's do a fun problem. So say, for example, Pakiba had 47 horses. Actually, we're not going to say horses, we're going to say pigs. The Kiva had 47 pigs. Okay? He keeps 5 times, so I'm going to write he keeps 5 times as many horses. Do you know when I was a kid I always used to write houses instead of horses? Always got them confused because of one letter. Keeps as 5 times as many horses as pigs. How many horses does he keep? Okay, I'm going to do this the standard way because that's what I have space for right now, and then I'll do it area on the second page. 47 times 5. So 5 times 7. Ooh, what do I, oh, that's 6s, never mind. Oh, well, 5s are easy. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, so I'm going to put a 5 here, put my 1 there, plus 3. So if you look, it says 35. Now I have 5 times 4. That's 20. Plus 3 equals 23. Okay, what does this number represent? That represents horses. Okay, so I'm going to check area over here. Got to make sure I have plenty of space. $40 is my place value, and 7, and then here is 5. Okay, so here's going to be 40 times 5, and here is 5 times 7. Okay, 5 times 0 equals 0. 5 times 4, so I did that. 5 times 4 equals 20. Okay, 5 times 7 equals 35. Now, if I do 200 plus 35, I get 235. Same thing as I had before. Okay, now what we're going to do real quickly is we are going to do 3-digit by 1. So excited, and I think you will, oops, sorry, I'm trying to pull the problem up that Wake County suggests, and it zoomed in really big. Okay, so we are going to do 397 times 6. Okay, let's do area first. So I'm going to break it into 3 because I have 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. And then I don't need to break this up into any because I only have 1. So I'm going to put 300. Here I'm going to put 90 because that's the value of that 9. And here I'm going to put 7, and then I'm going to put 6. So in this box I'm going to put 300 times 6. Here I'm going to put 90 times 6. And here is 7 times 6. So 6 times 0 equals 0. 6 times 0 equals 0. And 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 0 equals 0. 6 times 9 equals 54. And then 6 times 7 equals 42. Right? Yep, because 6 times 6 equals 36. So now I'm going to add up all my numbers. Make sure I'm lining them up equally. 0 plus 0 plus 2 equals 2. 4 plus 4 plus 0 equals 8. 5 plus 8 equals 13. Carry my 1, and that equals 2. Okay, I'm going to try real quickly down here to do 397 times 6. So 6 times 7 equals 42. So I'm going to put my 4 there, plus 4. 6 times 9 equals 54, plus 4 equals 58. So I'm going to put my 5, plus 5. 6 times 3 equals 18, plus 5. 18 plus 5, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, so I got the same thing. Check. Okay, so I'm going to give you a problem. I want you to try to do I'm going to give you 2 problems. I want you to try to do by yourself and with 3-digit, and then I'm going to give you, what I say? I forget. I'm losing my mind. I'm going to give you 2 problems that are 1-digit by 3-digit, and I'm going to give you a bonus. Okay? So 384 times 4 is problem number 1. Problem number 2 is 927 times 6. Problem number 3, this is the bonus. Ooh, let me see. I'm going to make this as really difficult. Oh, I don't even know. Okay, so we'll say Duncan's birthday is 10/12 times, and he was born in 2012. So we'll do that. So see if you can do that that problem, and then we'll do one more bonus. We'll say checkout is on 9/29 and at 1:15, and it will be a Friday, which we'll say is the 15th. So see what that number equals. So checkout's on September 29th at 1:15 p.m. and I did 5 because it's the 5th day of the week. So those 2 are bonuses. Do it and come back.